Okay, this is going to be a fairly quick video on how to work with your NHA account, which is required for the HPRS 2310 Basic Health Profession Skills 2 course. First of all, if you're teaching this course, you should have received an email invite to go ahead and set up your account with NHA. If you have not received that email, please contact me at mlkelly@collin.edu and I will email them or set you up myself. So you're going to log into nhanow.com is the actual website, but you can just search up NHA and find it and log in. And once you get in, you're going to go over to the left-hand side and you want to find the area that says Prep Materials and you're going to click on Courses. When you click on Courses, you want to look at the top, Currently Viewing Organization. You want to click on this arrow to make sure you're in the correct one. Some of you guys will be in dual credit only. Some of you guys will be in Collin College Health Professions. If you're referring to a dual credit course, you want to make sure you click dual credit only. If you're working with at one of the campuses, at a general population course, you want to press Collin College Health Professions. And that's where you're going to want to set up your course. Now, that being said, I'm going to do dual credit because most of you guys are dual credit. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add New Course. So you're going to click on an Add New Course. And in here, you're going to just click through this. It does this every time. It just gives you an overview of what it means. So just go through and say Done. Go ahead and type in your name of your course. So what I want you to type in is the way it shows up on your spreadsheet. So it's going to be your name, and then you're going to type in HPRS.2310. Whatever the number is. So it could be WG1. I know that has been 1. And then you're going to type in Fall 2023. And the start date for this semester is August 21st, and your end date is going to be in December, which is December 10th. And that's what you're going to want to set it up like. So it says that, so everybody knows which course belongs to them, and nobody's messing with someone else's course. And then you're going to scroll down to the course material. What are you going to add to this course? So you're looking for personability. So go all the way down until you see something. Don't worry about these rationales enabled. You can just ignore those. You're looking for anything that's personability. Don't pick the personability for Pharm Tech. We're just doing the regular personability, and you're going to click on Yes. Include this course. And once you do that, you're going to click on Create Course. Now, I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want to create a course, but once you create course, your course will show up in the list. So I'm going to just do the back arrow here so that I can show you what it looks like. And this is a course that these individuals have set up. I'm going to go to one of my courses here. I'm going to go to Health Professions because I have a couple set up here, and here's one of my courses for this fall. So I want to, once I have proof of purchase that my students have purchased their personability course in the spreadsheet or on, and it's a Monday, make sure it's after the Friday so that purchasers, and you get an email from me that says you have inventory in your NHA account. Then you can invite students to your roster. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on Roster, and you're going to invite candidates. You click here, and you're going to type in the student's email. Again, remember, it has to be their Collin College email. So, and let the students know that it's going to come to their Collin College email. And then you're going to say check address, and that will invite them. They will receive an email from NHA just like you did, and they're going to get they need to set up their account. Once they get that email, they can go ahead and activate their or register for their account, just like you did when you got your email from me saying you've been invited as an instructor. They're going to be invited into a student course. Once they register, they will have access to the personability course, and they're going to find it the same way by going to their course list and find it, and it'll say personability. And that is as simple as that. But please remember, there's two things that you have to make sure of. One, you have to make sure they've purchased the personability course, and we can monitor that through the assignment that we put in the thing in the modules. And we also can monitor that with the spreadsheet with the bookstore, because the bookstore will be monitoring that spreadsheet, and when they see a student purchase, they're supposed to go to the spreadsheet and update the spreadsheet. They're supposed to update it all the way through Friday, and then on Friday they're supposed to count up the number of students that they have that purchased it, and they're supposed to put in a purchase order for that. So that being said, I will check on Monday with the rep at NHA to see if any inventory has been purchased on Friday and Monday, and then I will contact you to let you know that inventory is present. Once you know inventory is present, you can go ahead and invite your students to the class. That's why we're taking about 3 weeks to do this, because we got to make sure that all of our systems are in place before we start adding students to a class. Because if we don't have inventory there, it makes it a big mess. So we got to make sure that the inventory is present. We got to make sure the students are paying. And that's it. Again, if you have any questions, you are welcome to contact me through my email, which is located right here, mlkelly@collin.edu. And that's all I have for you. Thanks. Have a great day.